Good morning and welcome. It's the 23rd of March and it's 6 o'clock in the morning. Right, we'll start with the AUD USD. I've put another trade on this. I've got my stops in behind the ones above. So my risk is now only the same as it was before, but I've got a really heavy position on this. I've put extra trade on because I've got out of some of my trades. So I'll progress on and I'll show you what I've done. AUD USD, I'm still in that. The RSI is still running down my trend line. This is quite steep, so I'll get out fairly early if it starts coming back the other way. Pound, AUD UD, pound, yeah, Australian dollar. This is still tramping uphill. It's got to the outer Bollinger Band, so we'll see how that goes, but it's still got the old green candles, and the RSI is still pointing up, so we'll leave that one. Euro USD. I've increased my position on this as well. I've got now 3 trades in, virtually all at the same position. The RSI has cut the trend line. It's not that convincing a cut, but it's up against some really heavy resistance, so I think that's going to hold. S&P 500, it's still to the south of my trend line, although we have had a little bit of a green candle this morning. I don't know whether that's going to hold. I sort of hope it doesn't. We've got heavy resistance just above it, and really that's the only little bit of support there. So we'll see if that can be broken, and see if the S&P 500 is going to go down a little bit more. I'm pretty sure it will. Euro Japan, I got out of this. I'd got quite a heavy position on this, and I'd taken really nice profit. It was just south of the mid Bollinger Band, and you know, I thought coming up to resistance, you can see the resistance across, sorry, the support across here on this line here. So I got out at this red line. We've actually come back a little bit, so you know, if I change my mind I could get back in. AUD Japanese yen. This is short. I haven't put the note on here. Short. It is continuing down. It's not crossed my trend line yet, so we're hanging on to that trade. Right, this is the AUD CAD, and bless its little cotton socks, it has started to short for me. We're coming down towards the mid Bollinger Band. Yeah, you know, I just hope this is going to keep going short. We're on the old trend line here. If it crosses this, I'm going to get out for a loss. Euro JPY, yes, I got out of that one as well. Euro GBP, it's at a bit of support at the moment, so it's stalled a little bit. Put the trend line down. I really believe that's going to continue short. Euro, yes, we've done that one. Pound USD. Well, it's coming up now to resistance. There's quite a bit of resistance here, and it's struggling over it a little bit. It struggled yesterday. It's struggling a little bit today, but I think that's going to break, and we're going to see a break. And you can see actually that the flattening of the RSI there, just because it's coming up to the resistance. Silver, yes, it's at the mid Bollinger Band. It's broken my RSI, and the stochastic is starting to look like a pair of scissors up here. So I've actually put a very small trade in that, and I mean very small. So I'm waiting till Friday for the commitment of traders. or I didn't wait, but I'm hoping the commitment to traders is going to go with me. USD CAD, we're in this long. It's gone a little bit against me. There's support underneath it. The commitment to traders is with me, and I think there's very little else. It's just I think that's going to long for me. Yes, again, USD JPY, different broker. I was short this. I got out at the blue line or turquoise line, and it's actually coming back a little bit. Oh dear, yes, my USD Mexican peso, I'm long. I've got these three positions here. We're into fairly heavy support down here. I'm waiting for a break of the trend line. I'm very confident with this trade, and yeah, I just cannot see the Mexican peso outrunning the US dollar. I just never. And here we come on now to oil. It's broken the trend line. We got a green candle here. I think this is going to bounce back a bit, but we'll wait for the commitment of traders. It's just looking like it wants to bounce. So there we go, and that's the review and of the charts for today. Thank you very much for watching.